Hi guys, we finally got rid of the horrible old metal shed that was here, so we've now got this area to sort out in the garden, but I found this old barbecue down the side of it, and today I'm going to take it all apart and make it into a miniature wildlife pond to go out the front where the veg beds are. So I'm going to set the camera up and we'll have a look how we're going to do it. Okay, so first I need to take out all the bits that I don't think I'll need. I may keep these bits just for some grates to put like plants and stuff on, but we'll see. So we'll separate all these bits out, and obviously you've got the grill bit. I think it's a bit rusty though, so I may chuck that bit away. There's a drip tray off the bottom. It's a bit sharp, so I'll probably get rid of that as well. And I've got all this charcoal in here, which I'll chuck in the compost bin. Then just need to take the handles and everything off. So I've got my screwdriver. So we've got this bit here. I'm going to put some pond liner inside it, just so the holes don't, obviously the water doesn't leak out. But I'll show you that bit later. Hand it off. That was quite handy elsewhere. Okay, so I've taken it all apart and I'm just going to wash it out because it's really greasy. I've just put a bit of washing up liquid in there. And just washing up liquid in here, right? And spray around. It's not going to be lined anyway, so it doesn't have to be all the time. I'd rather not get it in the ground. Okay, we'll just leave that to dry in the sun for a little while. So we've dug the holes and put the two pieces of the barbecue in and put the liner in. So there's the lid and the bottom of the barbecue. And there. We've dug a channel along here because we're going to put gravel in it, and then when it rains, you can see it'll pour out and go into that one. that one's quite a bit lower. So next up is to put the gravel in and trim and tuck all the sides in, and then backfill in the soil around the outside. So there we go, it's all full with water now. We've got some oxygenator plants in there. I will get some more plants to go in, but only some smaller ones. We've put wood around the outside. That's it for the teeny tiny wildlife pond. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.